Today we'll be learning about drivers. So our first part of the assignment is to explain what drivers are and what they do. Um, so what a driver is a small piece of software that tells the operating system and other software how to communicate with a piece of hardware. So when you plug in your mouse or your keyboard or your screen, it doesn't sometimes it's not compatible with the software on the computer, and the driver software is kind of like that translator. It makes sense of all the software going between the computer and your mouse, keyboard, or whatever it is that you're plugging into the computer. So the problem we're dealing with today is a issue with we just bought in Call of Duty 12 Future Warfare, and the game works great, but the high-end gaming mouse, the CM Storm Inferno, isn't working. And we're guessing that the drivers for the mouse need updating. So we're going to show you guys a few ways how to do that. So in order to update your mouse, according to ehow.com, first you got to locate the driver for your mouse. Um, so let's go on the website, which houses all those files. But before you do that, the real quick way to do it is to go to the Start menu, type in Device Manager, and here it is, right at the top of the uh, Start menu. Click on that, and we open up, and you want to find your item. So the keyboard, the monitor, right in between those with the mice and other printing devices, and that's where the mouse is going to be. And currently we have the HID compliant mouse. So we're going to double click on that. And up on top you have general, driver, and details. And we want to go to driver. Here it has like driver details, update driver. Currently, because we don't have administrator privileges, we can't update the driver through this area. But that is our first way to update the driver. Let's look at the driver details and see what kind of driver we have. Those are kind of drivers that help the mouse work with this computer. Right. So our second way to find a driver update or perform an update for your driver is to find a nice website like this PC driver downloader. You want to make sure it's safe, looks good. Might want to look at some reviews on it just to make sure you're not going to be downloading some virus on your computer. So once you've done that, you found a good website, you want to go ahead and type in your model of your mouse. So today we're looking for CM Storm Inferno. So we're going to copy that and search it in here. So for this website, we don't have a specific driver. You can just download the latest mouse driver for whatever you need to click download. And wait for it to load with this lovely Reader's Internet that just works so well. And the web page is blocked because we're not allowed to download stuff. As we're not administrators, so that is what you would do once you have it downloaded. You find the file in your downloads file. So you come over to this folder, come up here to downloads, open that up, and your folder that you just downloaded with the driver inside would be in here. Sometimes it comes as a compressed file under an RAR or a zip, in which case you would have to uncompress them using some sort of program. We on this computer have WinZip right here, which can either compress or uncompress files. So you would open it up using this and uncompress it. And that is how you update the driver for your mouse.